Hey guys, if you're American, you need to watch this video because as you know, TikTok has been banned in America. So this tutorial will show you how to download and install TikTok. Alright, so TikTok is an application with like funny dances and stuff. There's like very funny videos. It's a Chinese transporting website that is a very Chinese website. So you're gonna have to go to your app store. You're gonna click on that. And you ignore everything else. You don't go to Brawl Stars. You don't do anything like that. You're gonna search up TikTok. Alright. So now you're gonna get the TikTok right here. It's right there. You're gonna click on it. You're gonna click on that. You're gonna click on that. Yep. Alright. You're gonna click on the get. Alright. So this is how you basically get TikTok. And what you can do with this is you can have TikTok on your mobile phone anywhere you go. You need internet connection, but anything else than that, as you can see, guys, there's just installing, and it's amazing. Really, it's just so amazing how far the technology has gone. So now you're gonna click open, and you're gonna see you have TikTok. Right now. You're gonna have some great videos. You're gonna have great fun spending your time with your family on TikTok. And thank you so much for watching. Hope to catch you in the next tutorial. I've been really enjoying this. So thank you.